The picnic.
15.
I got the horses in the bag. Horse stock is a tie.
Oh, Mr. Stubborn.
Good morning, Mr. Did you forget that we are going on a picnic today?
No!
Hold on to your hats out there, folks, because a storm is heading to Dillydale.
No!
So, don't even think about going on a picnic in this weather.
See that you have already packed our lunch. That is...
Whoops.
Ye gods! You... Big song of things... You know that I can't go. I like to at home. I sing and I put out of this. What are you made up some cool stalagmite? Had another wrong. We are going back. I need to change aliens importance as it is framed it. Held down. I told making such a you doubt telling it's this shape. That's how you I oh stop. Not more. I'm making a wax. Wait next on a wax bait to let the pieces a wax. Get blamed it. Mr. Quiet knives and Mr. Quiet. A wax when you stop. Mr. Quiet! Mr. Quiet, do my job. All these things in wrong, Mr. Noise. I lag my fake deep song of things. I want my candy. You're wasting a wasking about half what? It's just a why? That's how you most. The one pistol stop. Yes, it's playing glockenspiel. Us to situation. Condition is not car. Quit! Don't be the porcupine. This car. Oh, stop. Not more. I'm making a wax. Wait next on a wax bait to let the pieces a wax. Get blamed it. Mr. Quiet knives and Mr. Quiet. A wax when you stop. Mr. Quiet. Mr. Quiet, do my job. All these things in wrong, Mr. Noise. I lag my fake deep song of things.
They call me the Count because I
Feisted.
In fact, the first mistake I made tonight was agreeing to go bowling with you. I quit.
For the last time, this is not a storm. More like a tiny Ferris breath blowing down.
Yes. Did you hear that?
That is my foot! I said kill it! This is not a storm! Don't hurry me! I am trying to enjoy my picnic!
Mr. Stubborn, we need to get off the beach!
And give up this prime picnic spot to someone else? Ha! I am not sharing my egg salad!
I got the horses in the bag. Horse stock.
Now this might be look just like rubber glove on a plastic bottle, but I
Peace.
This is the perfect place for a picnic!
Actually, Mr. Messy, I'm kind of...
I sound like Gollum from Lord of the Rings.
Oh no, oh.
Well, you say something, Mr. Quiet? Is that Quiche? Hiya, Mr. Noisy!
Great to see you, fellas. Mind if I join you?
Yep, I do.
Would you like a stalk of my celery? This is the best picnic ever! Care to buggy, Mr. Quiet?
Have you seen her? So bad and pretty, moving with a style and ease.
This is a post-Dobby Agony Pencil.
I got the horses in the bag. Horse stock.
I'm only here because I won the contest, and I never win contests.
Climb aboard, picnickers. Next stop, the... Picnic on the moon!
Well, let's just eat our picnic now and go home. And miss this wonderful asteroid shower?
No.
This baby isn't gonna fly again.
Not fly? How will we get back to our beloved
scary.
I had to use my scariest mask.
Oh, very funny. I won a picnic on the moon, and I'm getting a picnic on the moon. Okay, picnic over. Let's go.
It's a wonderful chance to eat a meal outside with friends. Although, it's also important to know when the picnic is over.
Monster with a sandwich! Smokey!